How's it going, everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is day 1 of the 7-day plant-based challenge for January, and it's January 2nd, 2021. I'm going to be sharing what I'm going to be having over the next 7 days. You're welcome to follow along. Let me know what you're eating. If you have any good recipes, share them. I'll be sharing some recipes, what I'm eating, how things are going, and all that. So on day 1, I decided to do fresh juice for the entire day. A couple things I have were store-bought, but most of what I'm having is going to be stuff that I just made at my house myself. So I'm going to be sharing it right here. Before I share the juice that I'm having for today, I just wanted to talk about this juicer I got a while back. It's the TriBest Green Star Elite. And I just wanted to mention it because it's a really, really good juicer. I've had 3 or 4 other juicers in the past and they all broke. So I finally just went out and spent the money on this one. It yields a lot of juice, so you get a good amount of juice out of it. And also it has a 15-year warranty. So if it breaks, I won't have to go buy another juicer. I was having to buy a juicer like every year. So this thing has a 15-year warranty, yields a lot of juice, and it's a slow grinder. So that way it locks in, more nutrition. It's a really high quality. It's the best juicer I've ever used. So I just wanted to let everyone know. If they're looking for a juicer, this is the one I recommend. I don't sell them. I don't make any money off it, but this is the one I just use myself. So this morning I put together 7 liters of juice. So I'm going to talk about the juices that I put together. I already drank 1 of the liters. So right here in front of you, we have 6 liters. Now, in fact, I put together 5 liters and I bought 2 liters. So I'll just start on the very right side. That's 1 liter of fresh squeezed orange juice on the very right. On the next one from the right is 2 liters of celery, cucumber, apple juice. And then the one that's kind of in the middle is 1 liter of carrot, apple, cucumber juice. And then I had already drank 1 liter of the carrot, cucumber, apple. So that's not pictured here. And then on the left side, I have the 2 small bottles is date almond water. So it's basically dates and almonds and water. And then on the very far left is 1 liter of coconut water. So I bought a couple things so I wouldn't have to spend too much time juicing and so that I had some variety. So I did the store-bought coconut water and the date almond water along with all my fruit and vegetable juices that I'm having for the day. So I'm still intermittent fasting here. I'm going to take about 8 hours to drink the 7 liters. I started with the first liter at about 11 a.m. and then every 1 to 2 hours I'll have 1 liter. Pretty much every hour or so. So it's going to only take about 8 hours to have all 7 liters. So still doing the intermittent fasting. Figured kick this plant-based challenge off with juice to kind of help clean things out a little bit. And I might do another day of juice later on, but throughout this challenge I'll be doing some recipes and sharing some good food as well. So it's not just going to be juice. It's going to be all kinds of plant foods, some smoothies, some juices, and then some cooked meals as well. And so this is going to be it for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another video showing what I'm having, what I had tomorrow. So if anyone's following along, let me know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for videos on a plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting. I have a lot of workout routines and recipes I share as well. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye-bye.